Welcome, today we're going to show you how to optimize your PC or laptop for gaming so that you can get the best performance. So I'm going to show you some small tricks that can actually help you boost the performance of your PC. So first you need to click on the start menu and then you need to search for the settings. So click on the settings tab and from here you need to go to system. Now you need to navigate to notifications as see from here and you need to scroll down all the way down till you see additional settings. Now you need to just turn off all these checkboxes, so this will turn off all the ads or notifications that will pop up when you are playing or using any other apps, and it will boost your performance. So after that, for the next thing you need to go back to system and then you need to click on storage. So from here you can turn off storage since I'll see from here because it will keep running on the background and it will lower the PC performance and that will help boost the PC performance. Also the next thing that you can do is to go to system from here and after that you can go to sound. From these sound options you can actually just scroll down till you find more sound settings. Now right click on the sound speakers or the default or the main device that you're using, go to properties and after that you can go to advanced section. From here you can disable audio enhancement and that will actually boost the performance of your PC. So that's it, thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.